Alright, this is Escalators set number 2 here at the Mall of Robinson Township, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one is by JCPenney and by the elevator, which I will get to. I will definitely get to that elevator. I want to get this escalator set in too. Nice escalators. Okay. Okay, I don't think this one's vibrating nearly as much. Years ago, they used to have a pink handrail on these escalators, if I can remember correctly when I was there. Nice escalator, but some of the steps could use a little coating here and there. Alright, we're at 278 calories, better than 257. Or how many I was on. Okay.